You know, some days I like doing stuff. Other days I like not doing stuff.
Just listen to that peace and quiet. Hey, grab your friends! It's time, don't you know? We're here, give a cheer! It's time for a show!
Ooh.
We'll make you astounded. Every parent, every child, because our shows are the greatest in all of Everwilde!
Enchantimals, we're besties forever.
Greetings, fair Wonderwoodians! I am Peaky, and this is my theatrical counterpart and bestie extraordinaire, Sheenie.
Nice to meet you, Peaky and Sheenie.
That was the most incredible arrival Wonderwood Village has ever seen. Well, if you liked our entrance, just wait until you see our big theater show tomorrow night. Sheenie and I have been performing all over Everwilde, and we've picked Wonderwood Village to be our last stop on our tour. But we need 2 performers. Yes, that's right. We're down 2 performers, which means 2 of you are going to be joining me and Sheenie up on stage. But there's only room for 1 Enchantimal duo. So you'll have to audition and really impress Sheenie if you want to be part of the show. And Sheenie is not easily impressed.
Yeah, audition. Or we could not audition because being on stage is terrifying.
Aw, it's okay, guys. Being part of a play doesn't just mean acting on stage. You know, with all of your talents, you would make wonderful costume designers.
Designing costumes? That sounds pretty great, actually. What do you think you need?
Oh, how about a fabulous headdress? But remember, for our show, it must be big, bold, spectacular! The best you've ever made! It's settled. Patter and flap are on headdress duty. The rest of you will audition for Sheenie, and together we shall put on the greatest show in Everwilde! Auditions start in 10 minutes.
Let's do it! Sage, Caper, I think you 2 are auditioning first.
Don't worry, guys. Caper and I will try not to be too hilarious. Okay, Wonderwood, who's ready to laugh? Say there, Caper. I'm hungry. You wouldn't happen to have any pie, would you? Oops. Oh.
There! What do you think, Flap? Is it big, bold, and spectacular?
Is it big?
I'm not sure it's the best we've ever made, though. Vicky!
Hello, Mister. Just stopping by to see how the feather headdress is coming along.
It's not quite finished yet.
Oh, that's okay. I'm sure it's lovely. May I see it?
Sorry, work in progress. But if you come back a little later, I promise you're gonna see something big, bold, and spectacular.
Hello. For our audition, Flick and I will be doing a dramatic scene from a dramatic play performed dramatically. The sea air doth blow cold this day. Did you memorize your lines? Lo! What breaketh through the mist upon the horizon? A ship doth sail! Let us dance and raiseth our voices to draw the captain's attention!
You know, I'm not usually into dramatic stuff, but I could watch this all day.
Okay, Flap. I think we're all done in here.
Thank goodness.
Which means it's time to move outside. Oh, this is just stage 1. The final headdress is going to be much, much bigger.
Enchantimals, besties, and note-taking parents of all ages. Behold, the hair-raising, high-diving theatrics of Twist! Aya! Are you sure? We haven't tested the tank at this height. Aya! Okay, Feather, I am ready to see your... Ah!
Right? Big, bold, and spectacular, don't you think?
It's a beautiful headdress, but I'm just wondering if it's a little too big.
She might be onto something.
I'm just concerned that a costume of that size is going to be distracting for the audience, or could catch a gust of wind and blow an actor away.
Okay, Danessa, you and Sprint are the only ones left who have a chance of getting into this show. So, what have you got?
Sprint and I were just gonna read a little poem. No. Little poems aren't gonna impress Sheeny. You have to dazzle up there. I'm thinking big, show-stopping dance number. Dance number?
Dance number?
Now you get out there and do some of this. And you wow that parrot.
Guys, I just remembered something.
What's that?
Danessa and Sprint can't dance.
Mama!
Hang on, Brad! Hang on, he's getting away!
I can't fly that fast. I'll never catch up. Time for a wind enchantment.
Go get him, Feather!
Hang on, Flap!
Yay, Feather!
We made it.
Thanks, Feather.
Oh, bravo! Bravo! Oh, what a show! I was on the edge of my seat. And this headdress is going to be perfect in our show.
You sure it doesn't need a few more feathers?
No!
Oh, I wish she would just get this over with and tell us nobody made it into the show. Maybe she forgot about the part where we drenched her with water and pie.
He didn't forget.
Okay, Sheeny. Who's the lucky Enchantimal duo that's going to be in our show? Oh, well, I see. Well, then, it's settled. According to Sheeny's notes, you all brought something new and wonderful to the stage.
Is she talking about this stage?
Sage and Caper, she loved how you made her part of your comedy act. Felicity and Flick, she found turning a dramatic reading into a ventriloquist puppet act was inspired. Bree and Twist, Sheeny believes everybody simply must experience the thrill of your high dive. And Danessa and Sprint, she writes here she's never seen a more unique and unconventional dance in all her years on the stage. You are all in the show.
But we thought you only had parts for one Enchantimal and one Bestie.
It's our show. We can do whatever we want.
Without a doubt, the greatest show in Everwilde.
Okay.
Wow, that That is a really tall high dive. Okay, Sprint. All set for Bestie Day? Do you have your list of Bestie fun? Ooh, let's see what's on the schedule. We've got running, bounding, leaping, frolicking. And later, we'll get some ice cream and read stories. But first, we picnic.
Yeah!
Oh no, did you hear that, Sprint? That sound can only mean one thing. Sniffle season is starting.
Oh no!
That means the clinic will soon be packed with sniffly animals.
But Bestie Day!
I hate to say it. Until sniffle season is over, all of my attention is going to have to be on animals that are sick.
Huh?
Enchantimals, we're besties forever.
I promise we'll celebrate Bestie Day once sniffle season is over. Now, what should we do first? I need to make a list. We better stock up on Feel Better ice cream.
Ice cream.
I need to make a list of everything we need and get more hospital supplies for all the sniffly creatures. Oh no! Sprint! Did you get the sniffles too?
Bedtime.
Let's get you snuggled up in a nice, comfy bed. Now, don't you worry. I'm going to take good care of you. I know what you need. Some Feel Better ice cream. How are you feeling, Sprint?
Sprint, Twist and I heard you weren't feeling well, so we brought you some flowers.
Aw, that is so sweet of you two.
It looks like sniffle season is starting early this year.
I know. And Sprint and I had a Bestie Day all planned.
Anything we can do to help out, Danessa?
Well, I am running low on Feel Better ice cream. Think you could pop over to the ice cream truck and pick some up from the penguins?
Oh, of course. Twist and I wouldn't mind. Would we, Twist? Twist? Oh, no! Twist!
She must have caught whatever Sprint has. Well, I know just what to do. You two need some rest and plenty of Feel Better ice cream.
Yeah.
There you go. You two take it easy. I'll be back in a flash.
Sounds good as new.
Hey, Prina, Jayla. Danessa sent me for more Feel Better ice cream. Sprint and Twist both have the sniffles, so make it extra Feel Bettery if you can.
You got it.
Hey, what's with the tiny bell?
Oh, that's just to attract customers.
Does it work?
Well, you're here.
Oh, true, but I'm the only one. Your ice cream is so good, there should be a line all the way to the Babbling Brook. Tell you what, you whip me up a scoop of carrot ice cream for the road, and after I drop this off at the animal clinic, I'll come back here to give your sound system some oomph.
Oh, that sounds like a big job.
And they all lived happily ever after. The end. Oh my. We haven't read these in a long time. Oh, they're so dusty. You know, I haven't heard either of you sneeze for a while. I think all of this bed rest is making you better. Oh no, still sneezy. Well then, how about some more pillows? And more ice cream. Oh no, Caper, you two. You need snuggles and ice cream stat.
There. I filled your truck with all kinds of noise-making whatchamajigs and tuned them to make the perfect ice cream sound. Jayla, give it a ring. Okay. Oh, that was weird. Try it again. What is that sound?
I don't know, but it doesn't really make me want to eat ice cream.
Okay, it didn't attract customers, but it did attract something, which means we're getting close. Okay, done. Hit it.
Aw, poor Danessa. She's been working so hard.
Who needs ice cream?
Danessa, you need a break. Why don't you let me keep an eye on our besties for a while?
Sage, you're so sweet. But I'm not gonna leave the besties until they're all cured.
They, look pretty cured to me.
Huh? They're not resting in there? They've been leaking their sniffles.
Well, I'm marching right in there and telling them the party's over.
Hang on. I have another idea. Up and at 'em! Wake up, wake up, wake up! I was reading through my medical books and realized that you guys do not have the sniffles. You have the super sniffles.
That will be it.
Lucky for you, I read all about how to cure super sniffles. We need to get your hearts pumping. First up, let's all head outside for 90 minutes of early morning jumping jacks. Huh? Okay, doctor's orders. Let's jump, jump, jump. Okay, great job, you guys. Oh, I bet you're tired. Well, let's all head inside for a rest.
Hey, guys. So Danessa asked me to take away your mattresses.
The firm support is supposed to be great for super sniffles. The fan is great for cooling down your sniffle fevers.
You got them to re-roof the clinic?
Mm-hmm. I told them that the high altitude would be good for them. Okay, I know those last sniffle cures weren't exactly the most fun. But this next cure is something we know you'll love.
Who wants ice cream?
What is this?
It's veggie mush ice cream, a special blend of boiled celery and creamed corn. It'll cure your sniffles in no time.
No, please, we're fine. We're not sick.
Nothing at all.
Wait, you're not really sick?
No.
You made it all up?
Yes.
Yeah, we know.
We know.
No,
Apology accepted. Achoo!
Oh, no, Danessa. You got the sniffles. Well, what are you waiting for? Get down to the penguin truck and bring her some feel-better ice cream.
Okay, I think we finally got it. Give it a try, Jayla.
That's the original bell ring.
No, it's not. Listen. Yeah, that's totally the original bell ring. I'm sorry, guys. I feel like I let you down. Yes! I I could attract customers.